don't have anything to do. I'm so bored.
I think so. Why these days no one asks for help?
Because we finished our mission.
How about we go to other planet and help them?
What? Are you meaning we go to other planets out of Earth?
Yeah.
But something. That's impossible.
It's possible!
What?
Yes, we can go another planet.
How? How? Yellow?
We can go by a rocket.
How do we get a rocket?
Oh, I will teach you. Just follow me.
Okay.
What is our material?
Oh. 2 plastic cups, rubber band, scissors, tape, and blue paper.
Let's learn together. First, put the plastic cups together and cut it 2 times on the both sides. And then insert the rubber band in the cut point across like this.
How it become like rocket ship?
Don't worry, Shema. After we put a rubber band, we are going to cut out paper like this to make 2 wings of the rocket and join them with glue or tape. And next, we roll the paper in a cone shape using glue and cut the useless part out. and use tape to join the cup and paper. Put one plastic cup on the table and bring a rocket. Place on the plastic cup and release it.
Finally, we can go to other planets and save some aliens.
Yeah, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.